Hello, so this is the final work of the bead work. So yeah, I have over a billion seed beads here. I said over a billion because it is uncountable. The bead I use here is called seed bead, as smaller and as tiny as sand, as smaller and as tiny as sand. It's uncountable. So I use this seed bead to create this amazing portrait. So this is how the final work looks like. It's very hard, unbreakable, very firm, very still. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to hit the like button, comment in the comment section, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Join the family.
Beads have been an integral part of African culture for centuries. They are used in a variety of ways, from personal adornment to religious ceremonies. In many African countries, beads are considered a symbol of wealth, power, and status. The use of beads in Africa dates back to ancient times. The oldest known beads were made from natural materials such as shells and bones, and were created over 72,000 years ago. Over time, beads made from glasses and other materials were introduced to Africa through trade with Europe and the Middle East. Today, beads are still an important part of African cultures and are used in a variety of ways. In many African cultures, beads are used to create jewelry that reflect the wearer's social status and culture and heritage. For example, the Maasai people of Tanzania wear different types of beads, neck rings, depending on their age and material status. When you come to Nigeria, beads are used to express power, wealth, and authority, and the most commonly name given to people with power and authority, of course, the chief, which is called Igwe. I don't know if I'm really right. And Odogu, the greatest man of the community. Yeah, so beads still form a very important part of African cultures. In my today's painting, I'm using beads in a different dimension. I'm creating a collage in bead made from glass. This style of art needs enough patience and consciousness. It took me a lot of time, but with patience, I'm able to pin down every piece of bead. Have you watched the video to this point without giving me a thumbs up? If you haven't given me a thumbs up yet, please consider hitting the like button. And don't forget to comment in the comment section below.
Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.